Welcome back, and today we got a lot of stuff to do to the Lexus. So as you saw in the last video, we got the Lexus, we fixed up the body panels, the two fenders, the bumper, and then at the end of the video we got them all paint matched. It did have a little coolant problem, so we got that fixed, and now she's running great. We did replace the tire, as well as some other stuff that we didn't show you on camera, like the windshield. We did replace the windshield, and now we got a few more things to fix. So first of all, we got to do the oil change. Hasn't had an oil change yet, and the filters. So we got the cabin air filter, we got the engine air filter, tire right here. So I don't know if we can drive on that. I'll just get it replaced anyways. We do need to figure out what to do about all of this curb rash. This is probably the worst curb rash I've ever seen. What in the world is that? This one's not as bad. Got a little bit up there. Still got to fix this, and we got to fix this as well. There's also this up here. This one's not too bad. The wheel's a little bent actually. What in the world? And this one's pretty bad as well. We got a lot of curb rash, a lot of small stuff to fix. But first of all, let's go ahead and do the oil change and the filters. Here's kind of what we got going on. This is our drain plug. What in? Oh, I got my tool. Bro, I dropped this tool in here like, when I first got the car. No way it's been here the whole time. Come on, come on. Ah, yeah. All right, we got the drain plug right here, and then we got the filter right here. What Lexus did is you take off this metal part right here, and then from this metal part, you drain the filter, and then you take the filter off. There we go. You're gonna see one of these. Just plug it in here. There we go. And there she is. That is some dark oil. Oh man. Is that purple? Oops. Oil doesn't look terrible. Has a little purple in it. Go ahead and put it on. Let's see if we can do it first try. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, shoot. Right around there. Let's add a little bit more. There we go. Take this little thing out. A few clips right here. This cover, you can see the filter right there. I'll try and do this one-handed while holding y'all. One right here, and the other one right here. Oh, I can't do that. Got her out. Now all we gotta do, boom, and then look at that. Got a whole bunch of dirt in here. There we go. Look at all that filth. So all we have to do now, take this old one out. Okay. So now all we're gonna do is go ahead and put this exactly how the other one came out. Right there. Make sure it clips. Take the cover, put it in these three little inserts up here. Clip it in place. One big hole in the side right there. And then there is two smaller holes right here. There's one, there's two, and she's all in. All done with the cabin air filter. All right, so last thing. We got to fix up this door. So first of all, what's wrong with it? If y'all remember last video, when I reinstalled the door, I put the door card back on. I actually put it on wrong. So a couple things. One, door doesn't unlock from inside. Second of all, it doesn't lock, okay? So this does not stay closed. Now, the reason behind that is there's two little switches, a green one and a white one, that's supposed to go in some little mechanisms right behind these. I flipped them, okay? So now none of them work. We're gonna take off the door card, and then we're gonna get this working. All right, so while the door card is off, a couple things. So these are the two things that I'm talking about that I flipped around. Also, I do have the BMS light on, something monitoring sensor or whatever, and that's because when I installed this mirror, I left it to where the thing is unplugged. So you see this sensor right here? This is supposed to be plugged into the mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I think all it is you gotta get behind this, if I'm not mistaken, and then just do it from there. Let me go ahead and take that out. There it is right there, the light, or the mirror, sorry. Now all you gotta do, plug this bad boy in. So I should be able to just adjust the mirror from over here. I'm gonna go ahead and try and adjust it. I don't know, it's not really working. I don't know why it's doing that. It's plugged in. BMS system is working because there's no lights on the car. Maybe I have to turn the car on to move it. All right, car's on. I don't know why this would work, but oh my goodness, I'm actually stupid, bro. I thought the whole mirror moves. It's just the glass part that's supposed to be moving. That makes so much more sense now. All right, now let's try, okay? All right, so all we need is the mirror to move, okay? To see if it worked. Yeah, there we go. Got it. All right, and then one more thing. Let's go ahead and reset the oil change on this, since I obviously just did the oil change. So as you can see, maintenance required, oil maintenance, reset data. Data has been reset. All right, no more maintenance, no more BMS light. This car is on the way to greatness. What you mean maintenance required? All right, let's go ahead and put the door back on. Let's do it properly this time. That way we don't have to keep doing it over and over again. All right, door card is back on. Oil is changed. Last thing for the video. Again, we gotta replace this tire because I do not feel safe driving on that thing. Even though it's on the side, you can see a little bit of the wire. You see it? A little bit of the wire peeking through. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing replaced and then figure out what to do, not only about all the curb rash on the car, but figure out what I'm gonna do about this door. I'm sure you guys have noticed this door is not the same color as the fender, nor this side. So when I bought it, it was the same color code as the car, but when it came, I mean, I don't know, maybe it's just higher mileage and, you know, the car was exposed to more sunlight or something. But this is fresh paint. This is the wrong color apparently, and this is the original color of the car. So either I get this paint matched to match both of them, or I just leave it, or I could put like a little decal along here, which would probably look pretty nice, and it would hide the difference a little more. I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do about that soon. Keep you updated. Yeah, other than that,